Usually this place is like lit up at night. Yeah, look at the fucking bubbles. Like it's a fucking club in here at nighttime, but I didn't want to wait till nighttime. But what's cool is they give you a towel to like get all the bird shit out for free, and then they give you fucking vacuum for free as well. Wow. Oh, do you see the lights? That's where the club is. Holy shit. It's fucking lit. We in the club, bitch. We in the fucking club, bitch. Who's that? Who's that? Hello, guys. It is, what day is it today?
Today's the June the 22nd.
Today's June the 22nd.
It's a Monday.
On a Monday. Look how big they've gotten. I don't think I've vlogged them before, but
no, you haven't.
they're huge.
They're literally a week
And they're
apart.
assholes to each other.
They are.
So this is Angela's dog. This is Angela.
Hi.
That is Remus or Remy. Named after Remy Martin. Just kidding. Remus Martin.
Oh my god, we're twinning, Dia!
So our other friends are coming too with their dogs. Stephanie over there
Where's your dog?
has a pet squirrel though.
Are you jealous? Look, he has grass hanging out from his teeth. Are you jealous? Can I get this? Go!
Don't hit him like that, Remy.
This bitch using her hairnet as a bag.
Yeah, but hit him like
That's not
that.
a hairnet.
Show them your hand.
That's not a
Oh, I was trying to self tan, as you can see.
But show him your hand.
He looks dead.
Oh my gosh, I haven't seen Genghis in
Our friend Jenny's here with her dog Genghis. Genghis is a
Chow Chow.
It's a chow chow. Look at him. Look at him.
Wait, Genghis.
This is Jenny.
No, we don't see eye to eye.
Hello,
Her
Bubba.
dog Genghis.
Hello, Bubba. Hello, Bubba.
That's your cousin?
Do you want to meet your cousin?
Can you just compare the size
Should
of
I
the
clip
three?
him in first?
Game
go try to
over.
Say hi. Say hi. Say hi.
Shooting blank.
You scared?
Both of you focus. Focus.
Genghis, I just want to give you room.
Remy, do you want to say hi, Bubba?
6 feet, Genghis.
6 feet.
Do you want to say hi, Bubba?
You're so
He's
handsome.
I
I love the
know.
little bit.
Hello.
You see his little bandana?
I
got it from
love
Daiso.
it. Wait,
It's
it's
so
so
big.
Where
cute.
your eyes at?
Sam's here.
Hello,
Hi,
Mochi.
Sam.
Hi, guys. You guys are from the same family. Oh my god. Oh.
Be nice.
Oh,
You have a
Hi,
girlfriend?
oh,
You want a girlfriend?
oh.
Girlfriend.
You want a
You
girlfriend?
look so pretty, baby.
And then there's my dog.
This is my first time meeting Mochi.
I know. Sam arrived.
Hello.
We got Din Tai.
Yummy.
Jenny's here. And we have all the doggies.
Genghis,
Mochila's here. Genghis is here. Genghis is huge. And Remy is... He does. Remy is terrified. Oh, hello, Mochila. Remy is terrified. And Bugs is also chilling. They're hiding with Monica. Uh-oh.
Leader? Was it
Oh,
he had his little hat?
why are you running, Genghis?
Mochi!
Mochi, no noises.
Oh my god.
No.
Basically a shark in here.
Do you hate mommy now? Do you hate mommy? Go say hi. Go say hi. I feel like you'd get along with both of them if you weren't so shy. Hi.
Genghis, he's gonna beat you up, dude. I'll let him.
What's up, guys? It's me, Brandon Marquez here. Today we're gonna be fishing. We're in Coronado Bay right now. I'm here with my tita. Look at her cast. Damn, that was nice. A little off to this side, but it's okay.
Oh, it's like still flying.
Today I'm going to be using my black hole rod. You know me and my black holes. I got my What is this? Abu Garcia Revo S. I did get a Daiwa, but it broke for some reason. I don't know how it broke, but I was surf fishing one day and it just stopped working. But I did go surf fishing today. I caught, what did I catch? I caught a croaker, little croaker, a little, I think two croakers, two little croakers, or maybe one, I don't know. I'll put the pictures right here. And then, yeah, one little shark. So, yeah, let's see what we catch today. We only have a couple hours. My goal is to catch 5 spotties. Let's do it. All right, we're back. Here's Bears J. Let's practice. He just got a new Phoenix rod with his Shimano Tranx DC, baby.
45-degree angle. Whoa, something jumped over there, guys.
Dude.
See that shit? It's a dolphin. I'm gonna try to catch it. Let's try to catch it, boys.
He's using his $20. Oh shit! Oh fuck!
The wind. It's super light.
Oh, I thought that was me. Anyways, yeah, it's pretty windy right now. The current is super strong. It's pushing like every line this way. But they said major bite time is like around 7 to 9, so we'll see if we catch anything today. It's been about 30 minutes and we've only caught stingray so far. Here's the first one. Major bite time 7 to 9 though.
Oh,
So
wait, we're already 30 minutes in.
we're 30 minutes in. Oh shit! Let's get it started. Bears J is still jigging. Caught a barnacle.
Barnacle, baby.
He's stuck on my line, but you know, what a fucking noob. So we just saw a huge fish jump like right here. So these fuckers are trying to jig and get it.
Oh, dang it, that's my line.
Just a quick little update. We are cut a back. It's like 2 inches long. Anyways, we're doing a little competition. We're trying to see who could catch a fish on a bait caster or on a plastic first for 20 bucks. Let's do it. We caught something. Nicole caught something. It's a shark. Nice.
Decent size, actually.
That is pretty big. Let's keep him.
I think it's legal.
Okay, bring him over photo.
Aww.
Here.
That's bigger than the one I caught today.
Okay, put it by your face. 1, 2, 3. Yay!
Wow.
That's pretty. That's a
It's
decent
silvery.
size.
It's shiny.
Ooh,
It's limited edition. Whoa, 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 whoa. Poor shark.
Nice.
Which one am I catching?
Did he swallow?
Wait, why is he bleeding from his fin? Oh, that's his gill. Never mind. They're right up in there.
Oh shit.
Wait a second.
Oh my god.
So close. Why are you holding him upside down? Is it? Oh. Did you hear that?
He's choking.
Can I just cut it?
Oh.
Pizza,
Let me see.
come on.
You can do it. Ouch. I know, put some squid in his mouth.
I know.
I got your in there.
Wait. Oh, I see it.
It's like, son of a bitch, this hurts. Is it a circle hook?
You're deep throating him.
Just like sliding back and forth.
Jesus. No gag reflex at all. Hey guys, today is a great day.
How great.
This is my friend Angela, and she got a new freaking apartment. So today we're moving in. We're about to grab some stuff from. Oh. What is up, you guys? We're here. What are we doing today?
We do just a little bit of fishing. Just a little bit.
Some little deep sea fishing. It is currently 5:35 in the morning. Our boat leaves at 6:30. The whole crew is here. Half of them. And we're gonna catch some fucking fish today. Let's go. Yeah. Just go down to the boat. We had to sign some waivers. This is our section. We have our poles right here. More poles.
That one, when you sit down, your knees are like literally on the sink.
So I won't fit for sure.
I mean, but you stand.
Oh. Beautiful fucking morning, brother. Look at that. Look at that, dude. The boat is just now leaving. Look how fucking beautiful the view is. I'm kind of nervous. I don't want to fucking, one, shit my pants, two, throw up. So we'll see if I do any of that today. Let's catch some fish. So what we're doing right now is we're going to the station here.
Yeah.
This is where we pick up our live bait. I don't know if you guys can hear me because of the fucking wind. But we went to 2 spots. I've only caught 4 so far. How much did you catch?
9.
9. He got 1 keeper. How big was it? It was like what? How many inches?
I don't know. It was keeper though.
Keeper. How many did you catch?
3, 4? No keepers.
Caught 7. No keepers.
There's guys in here, no keepers. We just went to this other spot. No luck.